Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. This is going to be about marketing blocks review, how to make awesome web pages. So I've just been playing around in the back office. It's amazing what you can do with this software. Like, it really does do everything for you. It's ridiculous. And I'm just scratching the surface. So I want to show you a page I made for one of my projects, which is actually a free funnel you guys can have. It is built in Clickfunnels. So if you're a Clickfunnels user, that's great. If you're not, you should be. Or you could probably do almost everything in marketing blocks. So that's really cool too. I just have so many funnels in Clickfunnels. It's where I am. But marketing blocks is a really great alternative, basically. Anyways, what I want to do is I want to show you what I created by just simply typing. Let me jump over to the page here. Okay, this is we're gonna watch this video because they can explain it way faster than I can. But let me go to so this is the page that they made. So what I did, guys, it's this AI, and you'll see in the demo, I think. It basically walks you through. You just give it a few things. So it says, "What's the name of your project?" So the name of my project was Get Paid with Glenn. And what I wrote, it said, describe the business. And I put in affiliate and make money online training with a complete high ticket sales funnel. I think that's all I put in here. That's it, guys. So it created this for me, which is amazing. I haven't put the reviews in. There's actually a button in, and let me show you. Let me get out of here. This is the back office, guys. If I'm a little bit slow, I'm still working it out. There is, I think there's review content. Where was it? Voiceovers, copy and content. Content brief. Is it in emails? No. Yeah, I'm still working my way through this, guys, so you got to be patient. So documents, content brief. Yeah, so this is how you just create general ad copy. So this is, again, are you looking for a way to make money online? Look no further than Get Paid with Glenn. Our comprehensive affiliate marketing and make money online training provides you with all the tools and techniques you need to start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Plus, our high-ticket converting sales funnel will help you maximize your earnings. Get started on your journey to financial freedom with Get Paid with Glenn today. Like, guys, this is really good copy. Like, it's great copy. I don't know where the reviews thing is. I'll find it. But anyways, so it was done, and literally it took about 15 seconds for it to create this this information. And then if I send this page out, boom, someone clicks on it, they enter their emails. Now I can either keep the leads within marketing blocks, or I can connect any autoresponder to it. It takes a ton of autoresponders. If you're using Aweber like iTrain, you do have to just insert a form, but I will show you. I'll do another training on how to do that because I haven't found that in the training, but I will do a training for you guys to do that. If you want to just go grab marketing blocks right now, I'll put the link below. Make sure that I would recommend grabbing the bundle because you get all the bells and whistles and all the bonuses. But if you just want to try it for a month or two, grab the month to month. So that's it. So let's watch this video. Okay, guys, we'll zoom this in a little bit. Move it over. So this is how to generate awesome landing pages using market blocks, and this is just going to show you guys like how powerful this actually is.
Hello and welcome to this episode of Marketing Blocks Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate professional landing pages using marketing blocks. One great way to establish your presence or sell offers online is the use of landing pages and websites. On your website, customers get to see details about your product, service, or offer, which encourages them to take necessary actions. And with marketing blocks, you can create very beautiful, high-converting, and professional pages in a snap. Alright, let's dive right in. So to get started, you'd first have to create a project. It's pretty easy. Check out Video 1 under Module 2 of this Academy to see a video demonstration of how it's done. Otherwise, you can choose to work with any of your existing projects if you have one. So, for the purpose of this video, since I already have a project, I'll just click on my choice project to get started. Okay, right now, from the sidebar menu, click on Landing Pages or simply click on Launch right here. Whichever one, they both work the same way. Immediately when you do that, it opens up the Marketing Blocks landing page dashboard. Once opened, click on Add New Page. Just key in a title right here and click on Create New Page. Wait for a few seconds. And there you have it. Your landing page has been generated. It comes with ready-to-go sections, clean and responsive images, converting copy, just name it. Awesome, right? You can make changes to each of the sections by clicking on this settings icon here. Once clicked, the Edit option opens up on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here you can change the background color. Click on this icon to change the background image. Once clicked, this page opens up. You can either upload an image from your local computer or choose from our stock images, illustrations, people, or objects. After selecting your preferred image, click on Choose and Continue to proceed. Next is the Delete option. With this, you can permanently delete an image. Alright, let's proceed. Here we have the Layout option. You can edit the quarter, the padding, and the margins by adjusting the bars left or right. You also have the option of manually inputting your preferred figure right here. Alright, to edit the text or any element on a section, whether an image, a video, or a button, all you need to do is click on it. Once you do, the Edit tab is opened up on the left-hand side. See? For a text element, you have the option to rewrite the copy and choose your preferred language. You can carry out full text customization. You can update the font and font style. You can adjust font size, line height, line spacing. Nice, right? Also, you can do full color customization on your text element. You can update the text color, background color, border color. And finally, you have layout options. Here you can adjust corner spacing, padding, and margin. The same goes for a video element. Simply click on the video element to reveal its Settings tab. Once it opens up, you can add a video by pasting your video link right inside this box. YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia links are supported. And then again, you have the layout options. Another important element is the button element. As usual, simply click on it to reveal its Settings tab. You can choose the button to redirect to a link. In that case, you'll place your link in this box. Or you can select a direct form option. See? For a direct form, you have two options: Form option and AR option. By selecting the Form option, you get a field to input an action URL right here. That's the link your visitors will be redirected to once they submit the form. Next, you have a number of field options for the form: phone field, Facebook login button, Messenger clickbox, and GDPR checkbox. All you need to do is to toggle on or off. See? You also have the option to create a custom field. Let's create one quickly. Cool, right? Thirdly and finally, under the button options, you have the pop-up form option. For this option, a pop-up form comes up when users click on your button. You can enter your action URL right here. That's the link your visitors will be redirected to once they submit the form. And also, you have a number of field options. And finally, you can click here to preview the pop. Upon preview, you can make edits as you see fit, see? And then below, you have the text customization options, color customization options, color hover customization options, and the layout customization options. Below, at the bottom of the page, you'll also find some important options available to you. Let's take a look at them one after the other. First is the Undo button. With this, you can take back the last change that was done to the landing page. Next is the Redo button. This restores any action that must have been previously undone. See? Next, you have the desktop, tablet, and mobile optimization options. You see, Marketing Blocks helps you build device-optimized pages too. With this option, you can check the mobile and tablet friendliness of your landing page. Next is the Preview button. With this, you can quickly get a view of how your landing is coming out. Beautiful, right? Next is the Settings option. Click on it to reveal the page settings. Here you can edit the page title. Here you can add your page description. This description is used as metadata for SEO. Add a favicon by clicking on this button. Once open, click on the Upload Image button to select your favicon from your local computer. Click on Select and Continue to proceed. You can add a custom script here. Custom CSS here. Here, you can set up a custom domain for your landing page. Marketing Blocks helps host your pages and assign a free subdomain to it. But to be professional, you may want your page to be on your own business or client's business domain. So this is where this option comes in handy. We have a dedicated video in the Academy that shows you how this is done step by step. And finally, right here, you can set up an exit intent pop-up on your page. How nice! You can toggle it on or off. Once toggled on, the Preview button is revealed. Click on it to update and customize the pop-up modal. Awesome! Let's proceed. Next is the Integrations option. This is where you can integrate your landing page to an autoresponder. This awesome feature makes it possible for all leads generated on your page to be automatically updated right inside your autoresponder account. Cool, right? Once you're done with all your settings, click on the Save button. When this is clicked on, it automatically exits the landing page after it must have saved changes. Otherwise, click on this button here to exit the landing page. Alright, with this, we've come to the end of this video. In the next video, we'll be learning about how to generate creative designs with Marketing Blocks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
All right, guys, there you go. That is it really like you may think like it's not that easy, but it actually is. Like what let's just pretend we're gonna do um you know let's see. Let's add a new oh no, I want to do hmm, let's go here. I want to do add a project. So what's hot right now, guys? What is it? Live good. Okay, let's do that. Create new project. Let's see. What is the name of your so live good best. I don't know what guys health products on the planet. I don't know, guys. I know that the healthiest supplements and health and fitness products in the world. I don't know. Let's just see what they do with that. The healthiest supplements and health and supplements. The healthiest supplements and the healthiest health and fitness. Let's just do health and fitness supplements. Well, let's just do that. Healthiest health and the best. I don't know, the best health and fitness products in the world. Let's just leave it at that and see what they do. Okay. Health supplements and fitness. All right. Our keywords. And we'll leave it at that. And you guys, you just change this color. Whatever color you want to do, you just change the color you want to change. It's It's amazing. Like you pick a color. I want it to be green. I want it to be blue. I want it to be aqua. I don't know. Anything you want. Red, blue. Let's just leave it at that. Anyway, go. So build my marketing assets. So let's go take a look. Let's go see what they did for a landing page. Launch. I mean, it's going to look similar, guys, but watch what it's all about the copy. Like why it looks similar, because these landing pages work, right? So add new page. Let's just go with this design. Create new page. Oh, live good products. All right. So, dude, this is so fast. Is it building it right now? Live good, healthy choices, healthy life. Shop, live good today, and get the best health and fitness products on the planet. Learn more, contact us. We provide great features. We help people to think independent, be the boss of your brand and storytelling. We an appropriate approach. Oh, so it's still building it, guys. I don't know why this is in here. I think it's still building. Live good offers and inspirational. Live good, high quality fitness, health fitness in the world. Live good products are scientifically proven and tested to be the most effective and safe to use. Company model, live good quality health products for a better you. Are you tired? Like, guys, and then of course you can edit this stuff, right? Many thanks for your prompt and friendly service. You are effectively able to, so these you can change out, guys. Unlock optimum health with live good. And then of course it's going to be a pop-up. So if we preview it, and guys, you can change any of those things at all, right? And then you're going to collect an email. Boom. So that's how fast it creates it, guys. It's just unbelievable how quick this product works. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to get marketing blocks, like I said below, there's the two links below. Go down, grab it. And it's a full money back guarantee if you don't like it, but definitely check out the bundle because you're going to get. Oh, and where that training video came from is actually the academy where they actually do. There's a whole training in here exactly how to do it, how to actually do agency. That's why you want to get the bundle, so you're able to create multiple things for clients if you want to. But it goes through the whole thing. All the training is in here. I will be featuring more of these on my YouTube channel. So if you're here, make sure you hit subscribe. And you can just watch and see if you can see more stuff about it and see if it's a fit for you. But I definitely recommend Marketing Blocks. So let me jump back on here, guys. Oh, where is it? Oh, I want to go back here. Aha! There I am. All right, guys. So that's it. Marketing Blocks. How to build awesome landing pages using Marketing Blocks. I highly recommend this product, guys. It works very well. It writes great copy. Like mostly, it's pretty much as soon as it's done, it's ready to go. You want to customize it in any way, you just customize it. It's phenomenal. Plug in your autoresponder. If you don't, it'll collect the leads in there. Basically, it's a great piece of software. Great AI, writes great copy, creating great stuff. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link below to grab it. And if you're not interested in that and you're interested in what my #1 business online is, I'll put a link below to the #1 business. I'll also put some free training. If you want to get paid with Glenn Funnel, I'll put that in the links below. That's another great training product to go through it and just go through and learn more about how to do affiliate marketing. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.